If you want to make your text stand out in Photoshop with a clean marker-style highlight effect, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to add a highlight behind text using a simple shape, and I'll also show you an optional blending trick to make it look even more realistic. This is a super useful effect for thumbnails, social media graphics, posters, and any design where you want certain words to pop without making the layout messy. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips, tricks, and easy design tutorials. Let's get started. The easiest way to create a highlight text effect in Photoshop is to draw a solid shape directly behind your text. This gives you that marker-like look without needing to manually paint over the words or use complicated effects. First, make sure your text is already on the canvas. If you haven't typed it yet, grab the type tool and enter the word or sentence you want to highlight. Now, look over at the toolbar on the left side of Photoshop. Find the Shape tool. In most cases, it will be grouped with the Rectangle tool. If you don't see it right away, right-click on that tool group or press U on your keyboard to bring up the Shape options. From there, select the Rectangle tool. Once the Rectangle tool is active, take a look at the options bar at the very top of the screen. This is where you control how the shape behaves. Make sure the drop-down is set to Shape, not Path or Pixels. That's important because you want this to be a proper editable shape layer. Next, click on Fill and choose your highlight color. For a classic marker look, neon yellow is the most common choice, but bright green or pink can also work really well depending on your design. Try to choose a color that contrasts nicely with the text while still feeling like a highlighter color. After that, set stroke to none. You'll usually see this as a white box with a red diagonal line through it. Turning stroke off keeps the highlight clean and simple, which is exactly what you want for this effect. Now comes the fun part. Click and drag on your canvas to draw a box directly over the word or sentence you want to highlight. Don't worry too much about perfection at this stage. You just want to cover the text area with a solid rectangle. If your text is long, make the rectangle wide enough to sit behind the full line of text. If it's just one word, keep the shape tighter and more compact. If the highlight doesn't line up perfectly on the first try, you can always adjust it afterward. Photoshop shapes are easy to move and resize, so there's no need to stress about getting it exact immediately. Now open your Layers panel on the right side of the screen. You should see the new rectangle shape layer you just created. Right now, it may be sitting above your text, which means it could cover the words instead of highlighting them. To fix that, click and drag the shape layer down so it sits directly underneath your text layer. This is the key step. Once the shape is behind the text, it instantly looks like a proper text highlight. If your text is black and the highlight color is bright, this may already be enough to get a great result. But if you want the effect to feel a little more natural, especially on textured backgrounds or colored text, there's an optional trick you can use. Select the rectangle shape layer, then go to the blend mode drop-down at the top of the layers panel. It will usually say normal by default. Change that setting to multiply. Multiply can help the highlight blend more realistically with the layer beneath it. This is especially useful if you want the highlighter to feel like it's interacting with the background instead of sitting on top of it like a flat sticker. It can also make the effect look more polished and stylized, depending on your design. If the highlight looks too dark after changing the blend mode, you can always lower the opacity of the shape layer a little bit until it feels balanced. Small adjustments like that can make a huge difference in how professional the final design looks. And that's really all there is to it. Draw a rectangle, choose your highlight color, place it behind the text, and optionally switch the blend mode to multiply for a more realistic finish. It's a simple Photoshop trick, but it's incredibly effective once you start using it in your own designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.